Welcome back in today's Help Wanted Wednesday. We want to help employees and employers navigate Colorado's new employment laws. There's quite a few new ones to be aware of this year. Our 9 News legal analyst Whitney Traylor is here to break them down. Good morning, Whitney.
Hey, good morning, Gary. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I want to highlight, Gary, a recent change to the law because we know the 2022 legislature was really busy as it relates to employment law. So one of those laws was regarding non-compete clauses. So historically, Colorado has disfavored those. And so now employers imposing those type of clauses, which is when you leave employment, the employer says you can't go to work for another competitor for a certain amount of time. So now the legislature has changed that law. They've severely restricted these agreements in when they can be enforced. So now they can only be imposed on highly compensated employees. So that's employees earning a little over $101,000, and for the protection of trade secrets. So it's very limited in which these situations will be legal. So what's really important, Gary, is employers who violate the new law, they can be fined up to $5,000 per worker or prospective worker presented with an agreement that turns out to be void. So employers, it's really important that you review these policies with your HR, your legal counsel to ensure you're not violating the law. So this was just an overview. There's nuances to it, but this is a significant change in the law, Gary.
That's going to affect a lot of people, I'm sure.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay, you're usually highlighting some job opportunities that are happening right now. Today, you're going to focus, I guess, on educational opportunities.
Well, yeah, and that's exactly right. We're showing some different opportunities for potential employees, including educational. So folks who are thinking about going back to school, if this is your first time attending or you want to go back. This week is Colorado Free Application Day. So applications need to be submitted through October 20th. And the idea is to inspire more Coloradans to continue their education. So, Gary, all 32 public universities and colleges in Colorado and a bunch of private institutions are participating. So you can go to cdhe.colorado.gov for more information. And it's not a bad idea to get back to school. A lot of these fees will be waived through tomorrow. So you got to get your application in by that time. But remember, there's financial hardship waivers throughout the year. So this is just one time. So if you want to get back to school, this is a good opportunity. You'll be able to just have another opportunity with less cost there.
Yeah, and the fees are, fairly expensive for some places. So.
That's exactly right. So get a number of applications in. Don't just do one. Get as many as you can in.
All right, sounds good. Whitney, thanks. Good to see you.
Yep.